In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move Bitcoin from your exchange to your Ledger cold wallet and then back to the exchange. Here's what the steps look like. We're going to skip the buying selling part since I'm assuming you already know how that works. But if you don't, no worries, you can check out the buy and sell video at any time. The main focus here are the transfers. In this example, I'll be using a Ledger Nano S Plus, but the steps are pretty much the same for the Nano S, Nano X, and other Ledger cold wallets. I'll be using Kraken as the exchange since it's one of the most popular centralized exchanges in North America. Now that said, the exchange you use doesn't really matter. The process is basically the same for all of them. What does matter is making sure that you have the correct wallet address and correct network, because sending crypto to the wrong address could mean losing it forever. So the example we have here is the Radium token that's running on the Solana network in Kraken. And we want to transfer it to the Ledger Live, so we have to ensure that we're using the same network. There are 3 security requirements that you must follow before doing the transfers. Number 1, make sure your operating system is up to date. And if you can't update it because your hardware is too old, maybe it's time to upgrade the hardware. Number 2, update all software. In this case, specifically, we're going to be using Chrome to connect to the exchange, the Ledger Live software to connect to your Ledger. And if you have an antivirus, make sure your virus definitions are up to date. And last but not least, ensure that your Ledger firmware is also running at the latest version. Okay, let's start. First thing you want to do is open both Kraken and Ledger Live. I have them both open here. So I'm going to click on Portfolio in Kraken. I'm going to click Withdraw. I'm going to select Bitcoin. And I'm going to choose the Bitcoin network because I'm pretty sure that's what's supported on the other side. And in the apps here, in the apps catalog under my Ledger, I'm going to install Bitcoin to get the wallet address. And we'll confirm the network too in a moment. So it's installing. Gonna click on accounts, add account. There's many ways of doing this, so. And now it's asking me to open the app. I'm gonna press both buttons. Okay, so it says native SegWit. This is the default Bitcoin network. Gonna click add account. So it's there. So to receive Bitcoin, I'm gonna grab the address from here. Add it here. I'm just gonna remove the old one. And then the nickname will be Ledger BTC or Bitcoin, as you wish. Add withdrawal. I'm gonna check my email to confirm. Here we go. Confirm. It's approved. Gonna select the amount, review. Okay, so it's BTC, the amount, the fee makes sense, the network is Bitcoin. Confirm. Well, the address, BC1, and then 7RH. Yeah, it's all good. Okay, so it's initiated. And here I can click on confirm and done. Okay, so the Bitcoin was successfully received, as you can see. It almost took half an hour to confirm. Here, the status to be confirmed, so I can send it out, which is okay. It's kind of expected. So now I'm going to send it back to the exchange. I'm going to click on send. To get the address, I'm going to go back to the exchange, click deposit, select BTC. To grab the address from here, we're going to be using the Bitcoin network. By default, we always want to use the network of the coin. So I'm going to click understand, copy the address, paste the address here, continue, Send max. And continue. Continue again. I'm going to open the Bitcoin app here. Review transaction. Press right. Sign transaction. And it's done. It was successfully sent. As you can see, the transaction is pending now on Kraken. So it will be there in a few minutes.